Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about the highest paying jobs in Canada based on your education. Some jobs paying as high as $128,000 as well. These figures are all derived from the official Canada government website Job Bank, which lists employment opportunities across Canada for both candidates within Canada and even those applying from overseas countries. Salaries can range from $62,000 to $128,000 and even more if you have the right experience, certifications and soft skills. Freshers can also apply for a number of positions. You don't need to have specialized experience to be paid well in Canada. Even the starting salary packages are really good. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the highest paying jobs for those that have obtained a bachelor's degree for a 3 to 4 year study program, a master's degree for a 1 to 2 year study program, and even diploma courses for 1 year study programs which just typically require only a high school education, along with how you can get Canadian job offers easily as well. So do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Starting right away with the top paying jobs for diploma holders. Diploma courses provide students with practical knowledge in a field of interest that are usually for a shorter duration than a bachelor's or a master's degree. Only a high school education is normally required to apply for a diploma, but since the education is more hands-on, the pay offered is usually good. Prominent diploma fields in Canada include engineering, IT, and hospitality management. The highest paying jobs for a diploma holder are stationary energy source installers and operators with a median earning of $128,000, heavy equipment or industrial equipment maintenance technologies with median earnings of $74,000, allied health diagnostic, intervention and treatment professions with median earnings of $69,000, and electrical engineering technologies or technicians with median earnings of around $68,000. Next, we come to the highest paying jobs for bachelor's degree holders. Canada has more than 100 universities that offer upwards of 10,000 degree programs which are recognized internationally. The most common bachelor degrees in Canada include a Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science, or a Bachelor of Engineering, and it can take 3 to 4 years of full-time study to earn a bachelor's degree in Canada depending on your study program. The following are the highest paying jobs for bachelor's degree holders. Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences with median earnings of $109,000, Chemical Engineering and Related Studies with a median earning of $91,000, other engineering related fields with median earnings of $80,000, and nursing with a median earning of $79,000. Lastly, we come to the highest paying jobs for master's degree holders. Master's degrees usually require 1 to 2 years of study after completing your bachelor's degree. In Canada, your master's studies can include a thesis, practicum, research paper, or a course-based program. The following are the highest paying jobs for a master's degree holder: finance and financial management services with median earnings of $106,000, accounting with median earnings of $102,000, and business and commerce and administrations with median earnings of $100,000. Kindly note that all of these salary figures are for those individuals who have completed their education in Canada. For those with education from outside Canada, salaries could differ by a small margin but could even be higher if you have relevant experience in your field. Now, how can you actually get these high-paying jobs? The first thing that you absolutely have to do is tailor your CV and cover letter according to the Canadian formats and make sure that you edit these documents for each job position that you apply to. You should use just one font throughout your resume, convert your academic grades to the Canadian equivalent grades, don't forget to include volunteer work, add necessary relevant keywords, certifications and licenses if applicable, add a few other details that should primarily highlight your relevant work and study experiences. You can reach out to us to make a Canadian format CV and cover letter, which will of course be a paid service. Now coming to the genuine websites you should use that have a proven track record. Canada's government job site Job Bank has to be number 1 on your search list, followed by LinkedIn, for which you'll have to build a strong profile and good relevant connections from your field. Next come Indeed, Monster.ca, ZipRecruiter, Glassdoor.ca, and Eluta.ca. Finally, you'll want to prepare for a job interview in Canada. This can include studying the job description, researching the employer, and preparing for common interview questions. I've made a detailed video on getting a job in Canada both from your home country as well as from within Canada. You can have a look at that video for more detailed tips on how to get a job easily. Alright guys, so those were the top paying jobs in Canada. For more immigration and travel tips, subscribe to this channel now. Do like this video if you like the content and comment what topic you would like to hear about next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.